Hey guys, today I'm gonna do an unboxing of a movie called Alien. So I picked up for like $10 at Feature Shop. And in space, no one can hear you scream. Show you guys it's fine. It's from Fox. And it's kind of like a embossed kind of thingy with the alien, mouse and stuff. Show you guys the back. On Blu Ray, everyone can hear you scream. So here's like some of the scenes and the features on Blu Ray. And it's region A. So I think it might have an eco case. This movie has good reviews, I think. It's like it's eco case, I think, yeah. Okay, guys. Give me a couple seconds. I was scared cold too. Shit. Okay guys, it's obviously equal case. Here's like the Blu-ray. Cool, I guess. It's clean. And it's from PHX or whatever, I think. I don't know how it is. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this unboxing, please subscribe, comment, and like. I'll see you guys later. Peace out with another unboxing. Bye.